YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we can cut some boredom out your life. So today, one of my buddies, he comes by and he always see that I'm buying projects. He laughs and he always asks, how do I get them and how can I afford them? I told him, first things first, I don't pay sticker prices for nothing. Nothing. I mean, I don't pay sticker price for nothing. No. When nope. First things first. If he asks you 500, in my head, I want to only pay you 2. He asking 1,000, in my head, I really only want to pay you 3. You know, so. I'm about to go pick up a moped, and I'm gonna show y'all the process or my process. You know, personally. If I know it's a project, in my head, first things first, engine's locked up. That's the first thought. If it's not, that's great, but engine's locked up. That's just what I go. And if you can't prove to me that the engine is not locked up, it's locked up. Point blank in the story. You know, I'm not coming to prove to you it's not locked. You need to prove to me because you want my money. You know, but so basically, what I like to do is I like to throw a number out there before, let them know, like, hey, this is where I'm at. So he gonna throw the ball back in my court. Now we know where each other at. And then if he's somewhere where I'm willing to work with, I'm gonna go holler at him. But if not, nah. Like, I'm not about to go there and, inspect it and give you a long list of what's wrong with it, this, that, and the third. Because a lot of people, not even mechanics guys, a lot of people, sometimes it'll be like, a relay will go out, fuel pump will go out, and they're like, oh, I don't know, I tinker with it, it's not working. Then I'm coming telling you this list of stuff they don't really know. They know, oh, my seatbelt don't work, my radio janky, it ain't running, so I like to start there. But enough jaw jacking, guys. We just about to get into it, so let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the spot. Boredom killing time. So me and my little dude over here, we're on our way. It's like 7 in the morning. We're making a 2-hour drive to go pick up Aprilla SR50 moped. So I figured I'd take y'all along with me. Also, bringing my little dude along. We're gonna go and get it in, guys. The deal struck. I already struck it over the internet, so we should be giving some money and taking shit, and let's go. It's the 2-stroke 50cc. I'm the all 2-stroke, baby. Say hi to everybody. You tired? Yeah. He's not used to getting up this early doing some work. All right, guys. Catch you in a few. So, guys, we 30 minutes out. And yeah, it's like that. You don't do well when it's work 30 in the morning. But yeah, another 30 minutes and we'll be there, guys. We're still tugging along. There she is, guys. There's the other one. It's running. Everything's just cosmetic and tinkering, fine tuning. This one's dead. He says it doesn't have a battery. He says it's throwing up an engine oil code. He don't know what's going on, but here it is, guys. He wanted $750 for it. I kind of wasn't planning on buying it because I'm investing money in this, and I have a trike build I'm doing, and I'm doing a 100cc build on that bike right there. So I lowballed him at $200, because that was the cash I had in my pocket.
And he flipped back, was like, I'm not a seller of this vehicle for less than $350.
So here it is. 2 hours one way to go scoop it up, but it's in pretty good condition, guys. It has the keys. The keys, I took them out there in the house, but it's in pretty stout condition. It also came with, right here, the manuals. Pretty legit. That'll make parts searching a lot easier. Here's the rest of the bucket of body. He said just regular parts that he took off. He said when he stored them in here, they were all not cracked or broken. It's been sitting for 2 years. So we don't know. Honestly, guys, this video is just to show y'all the new project I got. Yeah, that feels good. So $70 miles an hour, right on.